How to switch account on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your REDnote application. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. After that, you will see a gear icon right next to your profile button. Tap on it. Then at last, you will see an option of switch account and logout. If you just want to log out from your account, simply tap on logout. If you want to switch account, tap on switch account and then select the account if you have already added one. Or you can also add a new account as well. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.